Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to use some of the filters in Shotcut for manipulating your music or any other audio. So let's say I wanted to play something Christmassy as the video ends. This is a jazz version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Subscribed. I'll see you again. But the recognisable bit doesn't come in for a few seconds, so first I'm going to trim that down. Next, well, the volume is far too high. You can't hear me speaking. To change that, you need to use the gain volume filter. What volume you want will depend on the music and what effect you want. I'll see you again next time. But for a quiet background effect, you'll have to move it a lot further to the minus end than you might think. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you. Another thing you can do is to have the music fade in or out. You can select this from the filters, but you can also drag from the corner of the clip, in the same way as you do on video for it to fade. See you again next time. What if the clip doesn't quite fit the space? Well, if it's just a few seconds out, you can change the speed of the clip in the properties. But if you do this too much, you'll probably distort the sound too greatly, although there is a pitch control. However, sometimes making a piece a little slower can make it sound spookier or mournful, like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.